We're all busy, overwhelmed, and somehow still behind. And the real problem, isn't that we don't work hard enough, it's that most of our time is silently wasted on tasks that should already be automated, simplified, or delegated to AI. And today we are breaking down exactly why that happens and how 5 specific AI tools can realistically save you 10 or more hours every single week. Not in theory, but in real daily workflows. Starting with the core reason time disappears in the first place, which is cognitive overload. The constant switching between writing, researching, organizing, replying, and planning. And the first tool that directly attacks this problem is ChatGPT, used the right way. Because most people waste time by asking it vague questions and then rewriting everything themselves. But when you use ChatGPT as a task executor, instead of a chatbot, you flip the equation entirely by feeding it context once and then batching outputs. For example, instead of writing emails one by one, you give it your role, tone, and goal, and generate 10 drafts in minutes. Instead of researching topics separately, you ask for structured summaries with sources, outlines, and action points, and this alone can save hours. If you stop treating AI like Google and start treating it like an assistant. But writing and thinking are only half the problem, because a massive amount of time is lost in organizing information, notes, links, and ideas scattered across apps. Which is why the second tool, Notion AI, becomes a time saver when used as a system rather than a notebook, because instead of manually sorting notes, you dump everything in and let AI summarize meetings, convert rough thoughts into structured documents, generate task lists from long text, and even rewrite messy ideas into clear plans. And the why this works is simple. Structure reduces decision fatigue, and decision fatigue is one of the biggest invisible time killers. Now once your thinking and planning are faster, the next bottleneck is repetitive digital work, copying data, moving files, sending updates, and this is where most people don't realize they're redoing the work of a robot themselves. Which brings us to the third tool, Zapier. Because Zapier connects your apps and automates actions you don't even notice anymore, like automatically saving email attachments to folders, posting content across platforms, updating spreadsheets when forms are filled, or notifying you when something changes. And the reason this saves so much time is that automation eliminates microtasks. And microtasks are dangerous because individually they feel small, but collectively they steal hours every week. And once workflows are automated, the next major time drain is content creation, whether it's writing, video scripting, or social posts, which is where the fourth tool, Claude or any long-form AI writer, becomes powerful, not because it replaces creativity, but because it removes blank page paralysis, allowing you to start with a strong draft that you refine instead of starting from zero. And this changes the psychology of work entirely, because momentum beats motivation every time. And finally, even after all this, people still lose time on learning itself, watching long videos, reading long articles, or relearning the same concepts, which is why the fifth tool, AI, summarizers like Perplexity or browser-based AI readers, can compress hours of information into minutes by extracting only what matters, answering questions directly with sources, and letting you move forward instead of drowning in information. And when you step back and look at the system as a whole, the pattern becomes clear. AI doesn't save time by doing magical things. It saves time by removing friction, reducing decisions, batching effort, and eliminating repetition. And the mistake most people make is trying one tool randomly and then quitting when it doesn't change their life. But the real shift happens when these tools are stacked together into a workflow where thinking, organizing, executing, and learning are all assisted. And if you implement even 2 of these correctly, you'll feel the difference within a week. Not because you're working more, but because you're finally working on the right things. And here's the most important part. The time you save isn't just free time, it's cognitive space. Space to think better, plan longer term, and make smarter decisions. Which is why the people who adopt AI early don't just move faster, they move clearer. And if you want to stay relevant, productive, and ahead in a world that's accelerating every year, this isn't optional anymore, it's foundational. So, if this breakdown helped you see where your time is really going and how to take it back, stay with this channel. Because in the next videos, we'll go deeper into building AI-powered workflows step by step. Not hype, not noise, just systems that actually work.